Alright, yan guys, we're live in Facebook. We're now at Binance Live at Saseul Ama in Binance. Nagsasalita na siya dahil ulatang boses. Ah,
Call it a third generation blockchain because it goes beyond the technical conceptualization that Ethereum had left, evolving into specification that can be directly applied in real life.
Okay, thanks, guy. You want to add something?
No, I was going to say I'm done.
Okay, perfect. So tell us next now, in what ways does
I can answer this question. Saseul uses methods similar to proof of work, so it is 100% decentralized. Also, instead of using the existing bridge system, Saseul uses connected contract technology to address frequent bridge security issues. And that's it.
Okay, thank you for that. And that takes us to the next one now, which says, could you tell us about your token and the utilities?
So SL coin, we call it a coin because it's a mainnet coin, is base currency of Saseul ecosystem. It will be used for e-payments in the ecosystem, and we're planning to onboard various DApps in ecosystem to increase the usability. That's it.
Okay, that's it. Thank you. That's it. I love that. So next now, are there any notable projects or applications that are currently built on the Saseul blockchain engine?
The projects that are just right around the corner are Slush and ZDApp and Tamsa projects. They are each first Launchpad and Wallet and Explorer for Saseul mainnet.
Okay,
yeah, that's it.
That sounds good. Now, tell us next, can you provide any insights into the development roadmap for Saseul and probably any upcoming features or enhancements?
We've heard that John Lee, developer of Saseul, is working on cutting the block finality in 1 to 2 seconds, and right now it takes about 4 to 6 seconds, so he's trying to make it into real time. And also he said that he is working on the internet traffic optimization and mining.
Okay, that sounds good. That's okay. That ends the first part of the AMA, and thanks to you guys for answering the questions wonderfully well. And as a reminder to everyone currently listening to this Binance Live AMA, please do well to join the Project Team's official Telegram group and also follow them on Twitter so that you do not miss out on all the latest updates taking place on the project. So that's it for that, and thank you guys once more. And that takes us to the next part of the AMA now, where we want to take a few questions from X, formerly called Twitter. Are you ready for this part as well?
Sure.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go. So the first one from Twitter says, partnerships are always important for any project. So who are your partners and what benefits do you get from these relationships? And how are you planning to build the community? Are you planning to recruit people with blockchain experience to the team? So that was a lot of questions. So let's let's break it down. So tell us first about partnerships and who are your partners. Then we move on to the other parts.
Um, our partner is Friends, the developer company for Saseul, is in partnership with Saseul Labs, the marketing and operation agency for Saseul. Friends focuses on developing and updating the Saseul to perfection, and Saseul Labs focuses on expanding the ecosystem of Saseul. So the technology can be realized to user-friendly services, and we are planning to create a community for each upcoming projects, and of course we will be recruiting more people along the way.
Okay, that's okay. That sounds good. So, well, the other part of the question you did not answer says, how are you planning to build the community?
So I think Brian actually answered all of them. I think he's a genius. So we already said we're planning to create a community for each upcoming project. So that's gonna be lots of community altogether.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. The next one says, what are some potential advantages of using Saseul over other blockchain engines from different generations?
So maintaining complete decentralization, achieving fast processing speeds suitable for daily transaction, and ensuring stable securities simultaneously are the key highlights of Saseul blockchain. And overcoming the so-called blockchain industry trilemma, which has been a challenge, is considered the most significant advantage of Saseul.
Okay, thank you guys, thank you. And the next one says, in terms of interoperability, how does Saseul foster collaboration with other blockchain networks or technologies in the decentralized ecosystem?
Saseul has technology substituting the existing bridge called connected contracts. Connected contracts have implemented a form that completely avoids the central server, its vulnerability. They operate between two blockchain networks and where smart contracts are insured, and there are plans to launch them in order between Saseul and Ethereum, and between Saseul and Bitcoin.
Okay, that's okay. Sounds good. Sounds more like it. And that takes us to the next one now, which says, what are your top 3 priorities for 2024? Could you also share some of your plans for the upcoming year?
We'll briefly share a roadmap. It's probably going to contain all those three things, three priorities. So in 2024, the focus will be on launching services that serve as the fundamental infrastructure of Saseul ecosystem and establishing various partnerships to activate the ecosystem. Initially, we plan to strengthen our collaboration with Saseul Labs and Friends. The first mover who has Saseul Labs, the first mover who has challenged and entered the Saseul ecosystem. Saseul Labs is currently promoting the ICO service platform called Slush. And the first commercial wallet in Saseul ecosystem, Zgap, is going to be the next project. The Saseul blockchain data aggregator Tamsa is next one, and we have things such as DEX, called Slex, and so on. So Saseul plans to establish various protocols to facilitate market entry for developers and businessmen, and will introduce a wider range of APIs and SDKs to the market.
All right. That's okay. That sounds good. And that takes us to the next one now, which says, in what ways does Saseul address scalability issues that may have been present in previous blockchain engines?
Saseul has achieved what Bitcoin and Ethereum have failed to do: increase processing speeds to real-world levels while maintaining full decentralization. In addition, Saseul is working on upgrading its engine to increase processing speed to real-time levels and expects to make this technological breakthrough in the first half of 2024.
Okay, thanks, guys. That's a wrap for the Twitter segment as well. Thanks to everyone who sent in their wonderful questions, and that takes us to the last part of the AME now, where we have a few questions that have been chosen or that we are going to choose from the live chat. And I believe you guys are also ready for this part as well. Are you?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Let's go. Let's go, guys. But as a reminder again, before we started this live segment, please, guys, if you've not joined Saseul's official Telegram group, do go to do that, and also follow them on Twitter as well, and follow Decentralized Club on Twitter as well. So quickly go and do that, guys, and let's move on. And now let's take the first one from the live segments. The user who is asking this question goes by the name of Mastermind. Mastermind says, let me just read it out anyways. Mastermind says, what are the major challenges or risks that Saseul currently faces, and how does the team plan to address them?
Pardon, I couldn't hear you. What was the...
Did you get the question?
Yes, can you repeat the question again?
Yes. The question is this. It's Mastermind is asking. It says, what are the challenges or risks that Saseul project currently faces, and how does the team plan to address these challenges?
So the most challenging thing right now is gonna be going into the market, starting to expand from the market, since Ethereum is already big in the market, and we already have Bitcoin, who is like a godfather of the whole market. So we're trying to, as a third generation, we want to prove that we're better. But since people prefer the familiar, they tend to not to move away from the existing platforms or mainnets. So, but I think as we did with telephone, cell phone, and smartphone, as the technology changes and as we have no choice but to move on to the next generation, I think Saseul will have to take over the whole market. That's that was an ambitious word, but yeah, that's the answer.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for that. And the next person asking this question goes by the name Eclass01. Eclass01 says, can you share any interesting stories or experiences from the early stages of Saseul that highlights your vision and your goals?
So our company, Soul Labs, is not technically a developer company. So I'm going to tell you one of the stories from Changwoo Lee, who is the developer of Saseul. Saseul has a technology that you could upload a whole file into the chain, and it still has a fast speed, and it accepts the whole storage size. So he said he played a Minecraft on the mainnet Saseul once. That was probably one of the stories that I heard interesting about Saseul.
Okay, and that sounds good. Thank you. And the next one now says, general 33 is the user asking this question. He says, what are the benefits of NFTs and how can we buy them?
NFTs, I think he or she must have seen a ceremonial NFT sold on one of the platforms. That NFT was a ceremonial, it has more ceremonial existence than the actual functional reason for making them. So as of now, we do not have plans for any NFTs in close range, but further on, when our ecosystem actually has functional capabilities of having an NFT, then we'll probably launch one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool. That's really impressive. The next one from the live chat asked by Todia22 says, what's the story behind the name Saseul and why did you choose it?
So Saseul actually means chain in Korean. Our company did not actually choose the name, but the developer company probably chose, this is just my guess, probably chose the name Saseul since it means chain, and he wanted to use Korean for the monumental third generation blockchain.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's okay. That sounds good. And that was the second to the last question. And now that we want to take the last question, the user asking this goes by the name of Hafizo. Yes, Hafizo. Hafizo is asking this question. Let me just read it out. Hafizo says, are there any upcoming technical innovations or improvements that the community can look forward to?
So he probably have asked about the Saseul mainnet itself, right? Saseul, as we said earlier, it has an upcoming update that's going to make block finality. Right now, it's 4 to 6 seconds, but it's going to, the developer Jung Lee is going to try to make the block finality in 1 to 2 seconds. And right now, Saseul mainnet has its own language, but since he realized that having a different or own language is difficult for the other developers to come in and activate the ecosystem, he is trying to change to SQL. So more developers are, so he's downsizing the whole Saseul mainnet language into SQL so more developers could come in and enlarge the ecosystem.
Okay, thank you. And that was the last question from the live chat. So now it's time for us to wrap up. Is there any other additional information or message that you would like to share with the community and everyone listening?
So thanks for having us here. And since Saseul, all of us probably heard of FOMO, right? Don't miss out.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and we wish you guys all the very best moving forward. We would continue to support you, and we hope things continue to get better for you all. Thanks to everyone who tuned in, and keep supporting us. Thank you, guys. Do have a great day, and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you. You have a great day.
Okay, thank you for the time.
All right. Hello. Bilis na. Hello, guys.
Ayun. Yan ang nangyari sa kumpare ni Upline John, si Sir Jean.
Ayun.
Ayan, meron akong guest dito kanina eh. Wala, si Mr. Ronel.
At least
Grabe ang views,
nakuha
no?
natin, ang bilis na. Pero
Ang,
maganda yung meron silang binabanggit sa ngayon, ini-improve pa ng developer na maging 1 second ang
yeah.
transactions.
Oo. Ang galing.
Uh, so, ayun, at least nakuha natin first-hand information mula sa si Jean is from Solabs talaga. I think employee sa company ng Solab siya. So, ayun, right now, bukas, ilang araw na lang, ilang hours na lang ang ating pag-aantay at magkakaroon na ng value. So, ang Saseul, ang price niya is 0.01, ano? If you share natin, share ko sa inyo yung ano, ha?
Point
Ano nga ba
one,
yun?
bro. Point one. Point one.
Point 1, 0.1.
Point
Sige nga
one.
bro, kwentahin. 0.1 per SL.
Point one. Point. Ano yan?
Point.
Mga nasa 6 pesos yan. 6
So,
pesos.
magkano sa peso yon?
Mga 6.
First round lang yon.
Oo, ang second round, 0.15. Third round, 0.20.
Ikaw na
Ang-
nag-decide bro, ha?
Oo, nakausap ko na eh.
O, ganun ba? Ayan, 13 hours na lang. So, right now, it's 9:10. So, 11 a.m. bukas, sa mga gusto mag-participate. 11 a.m. bukas, magla-live na ito. So, I think, ano lang to website, nagagawa tayo ng account. Then we can purchase mula dun sa dashboard siguro.
Ay, naku, my God.
Then, tingnan natin yung Telegram nila. Ito yung kanyang Telegram. Yung Telegram ito. Yung mga announcement, tingnan natin. Ayun. Oh, ano tong one is Saseul token launches tomorrow. Get ready for the next big thing in blockchain with 1:1 bonus of flash token on every purchase. Oh. So, ibig sabihin pala, pag nakapag-participate tayo, we'll still have 1:1 bonus flash token. Mhm. Sana all maka-purchase. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating namamine is may value na. Pag nagtapos ito ng 4 rounds, probably nasa 0.20 or 0.25 to 0.50 isang SL coin. And right now, na share sa atin doon mismo sa Binance, yung AMA, which means probably may connection sila with Binance. So tama si Ma'am Apply si Pia, which is probably by December, mailis sa Binance. And mid-year, mga second quarter, third quarter, sa mga ibang exchange. Then December ata, target nila Binance at $10 per SL. Yun ang according to Apply to Pia. This is exciting. Kaya maswerte yung mga nauna nag-mine at mga
Wow,
malala.
$10. Ay, narinig ko, $10.
Oo, partner. Yun, sa meeting namin kagabi ni Upline, may kachat siyang Korean. Ang target is December sa Binance at $10. So, but most probably, baka hindi lang 10 eh. Kasi ang susundan yan kung ano yung DEX price. Ano yung price sa DEX.
May 2 million na pala ako, milyonary na pala ako sa December pa.
Wow. Madami-dami na yung coin mo. So, may mga bago po ba tayo? So, patsadahan natin ng konti. Or any question, guys? Sino po ba? Ayun. Paano po mag-mine? Hello? Yes. May ano po tayo, dalawa, of course, yung una, yung pag-mine is through yung magsiset up kayo ng sarili niyong computer. And the other one is yung participate kayo sa cloud mining. Okay? So yung cloud mining po natin, i-activate nyo lang, makakapag-mine na kayo for 18 months ng SL coin. So yun po yung uh, mining na aming pinopromote na may kasama pong business. Ayan. Share lang natin, no? So
Nandito
in a
kanina si
nutshell,
Ronel. Nakabitaw si Ronel.
nandiyan ba?
Oo, wala. Di bali, di bali.
Shortcut lang
Sige.
natin.
Follow up ko lang para mag-join ulit.
Yan. So ito po yung
Yun
ating
guys, mag-start pa lang tayo ng presentation. Kunting saglit lang yon na pinanood natin yung Binance Live interview about sa ating marketing ng Saseul na si Mr. G, no? So, ita-transcript naman ni Apen Edwin kung ano yung napag-usapan doon sa interview. Sa mga susunod na araw, makikita natin sa ating Facebook group. Kaya guys, yung live po kanina, i-share po natin para ma-inform po yung ating mga prospects, mga members natin. Maging aware sila sa kung ano na yung nangyayari sa Saseul. Ayan. Exciting yon para sa mga may hawak ng coin and most awaited time yun. Apply. So, isa tayo presentation.
sige, pasadaan natin ng mabilisan. So,
Yes, okay. So,
sige.
yeah, so magkakaroon muna po tayo ng mabigyan, no, lalo na sa mga first timer po, mabigyan natin ng konting background about sa Saseul blockchain. At ano yung ino-offer natin, bakit tayo nagkaroon ng Zoom presentation, every MWF, and paano tayo magbe-benefit dito sa technology. Okay, so guys, welcome ang ating presenter for tonight, no other than Upline Edwin. Upline Edwin.
Alright. So, thank you guys no sa coming over sa aming Saseul presentation. So, pinanood po namin ngayon lang yung AMA sa Binance Live. AMA is Ask Me Anything. So, maiksi lang siya. At least, first-hand information kasi mula sa Soul Labs yung nagsasalita doon. Anyway, ang pag-usapan po natin, si Saseul kasi isang blockchain. Ang evolution po ng blockchain, of course, naman natin lahat, nagsimula kay Bitcoin, na ang inopen niya sa public ay yung concept of decentralization. And ang second generation ay Ethereum. Si Ethereum ay isang second generation wherein in-introduce naman niya sa market yung smart contract kung saan pwede na maglagay ng program sa blockchain kaya na lumabas yung mga token, mga decentralized exchange, mga dApps, and DeFis. And nagkaroon lang ng stagnation or nawala yung kanyang lost its way kasi ang blockchain, ang goal po kasi ng blockchain is napakaraming uses, hindi lang all about cryptocurrency. So blockchain technology ay nagkaroon ng limitation in solving the trilemma to capture its full potential. So right now, of course, first generation, second generation, and third generation can capture the full potential. And Saseul is the blockchain na third generation. And yung mga blockchain today, nag-focus na lang kasi sa cryptocurrency, no? So, ang trilemma po sinasabi natin ay yung problema sa scalability, security, and decentralization. Kung pag-uusapan po natin si Bitcoin at si Ethereum, siya po ay nandito sa side ni C which is, nandito siya sa side ni C, secure siya at decentralized pero hindi siya scalable. So mayroong mga blockchain na scalable at secure pero hindi decentralized, no? So meron din na sa B side, scalable siya and decentralized, problema naman is security. So trilemma, ang ibig sabihin po ng trilemma is the three problems na scalability, decentralization, and security that cannot be solved at once. Si Saseul po is blockchain that solve the problem in trilemma. So isa siyang universal computer ang kanyang new value na inoffer sa market. Ibig ko sabihin, pwede niyang i-connect lahat ng computer resources around the world and it can be used as a single computer. Yan po ang universal computer na offer sa atin ni Saseul Technology. So blockchain is a simple database lang kasi yan nag-hold ng mga record ng human activities. And it is responsible po ang blockchain para po sa irreversible time access of the virtual world. So dapat hindi po siya matamper at lahat ng nangyayari sa virtual world is naka-record sa blockchain. And Saseul connects all the computer resources kaya pwedeng gamitin as a single computer. And the person behind po or the developer is si Lee Jung-woo na from Korea. Ang company niya ay Artifriends noong 2016 pa. So ito yung mga key points ni Saseul. Nagsimula ang development ni Saseul noong 2017. So 6 years in development, then finally launched ang mainnet noong May 17, 2022. So magto 2 years na po ang blockchain ni Saseul this coming May 2024. And Saseul developed a new storage solution that allows all types of digital files such as images, videos, and documents, contracts, and applications. No? So ito po yung advancement mula sa second generation. Sa second generation, hindi po pwedeng mag-store ng images, videos dun sa mga like Ethereum and all other blockchains na existing. So with Saseul, pwede na yung image, videos ilagay sa blockchain. And si Saseul, nag-create siya ng sarili niyang algorithm, yung HOP2, which is proof of randomness na i-combine with proof of work consensus. Kaya nasolusyonan niya yung trilemma tinatawag. So si Saseul ay innovative blockchain na overcome niya itong problem sa trilemma at yung problem sa storage, nabigyan din niya ng solusyon. And of course, yung interoperability of different blockchains. Right now, para magkaroon ng interoperability within different blockchains, gumagamit ng bridge, kaya lang yung bridge is napakadami naging problema because of hacking sa mga bridge, no? So for comparison, ang Saseul, yung kanyang bilis, speed niya or transaction speed is 1 to 5 seconds. And dun sa AMA na katatapos lang or Ask Me Anything, sinasabi doon na si Lee Jun-woo ay ini-enhance pa ito para maging real time. 1 second na lang ang penalty. So yun yung wino-work ngayon ni Lee Jun-woo. But right now, ang speed niya is 1,000 transaction per seconds. Global yan. And sa 3,000 naman, pag Asia Pacific, pag within one country, local, up to 10,000 ang TPS niya, transaction per seconds. For comparison, si Ethereum ay may 15 transaction per second lang and si Polygon, 70 lang ang kanyang TPS. Si Solana, which is nag-boom talaga ngayon, which is 2,000 to 3,000 lang ang kanyang TPS and si Ava is 4,500 lang. Alright, so yan po yung for comparison and makikita po natin sa virtual machine, almost all other blockchains gumagamit po ng virtual machine or EVM. Tayo po may Saseul Commit Engine, sarili nating algorithm. Now, based on decentralization and distribution, kailangan po makita sa isang blockchain kung talaga ba itong decentralized and totally distributed. Ang kagandahan po sa nangyayari today, magto 2 years pa lang si Saseul, nalampasan na niya si Bitcoin. Ang Bitcoin node has around 17,000 nodes. If we would check this live, makita niyo po, that's bit nodes, makikita natin yung reachable nodes niya is 6,245. So makikita po kung saan naroon yung mga nodes. Nodes are the miners or the computers that verify and store the data sa blockchain. No? So makikita nyo po sa heat map, very distributed si Bitcoin. Kaya number 1 talaga si Bitcoin. And si Ethereum naman is number 2, wherein meron lang siyang 7,000 nodes. So makikita po natin dito sa Etherscan node tracker, yung kanyang number of node, reachable nodes niya is 7,400, no? And ang nakaka-worry lang kay Ethereum, nasa United States ay 44%. So malapit na sa 50% or 51%, no? Which is iniiwasan sa isang blockchain na dapat hindi magkaroon ng isang group na nagko-control ng more than 50%. Kaya may tinatawag po sa blockchain na 51% attack. Okay? So, tingnan naman natin ngayon si Polygon. Si Polygon ay nasa 300 na ngayon. Pero dito po, questionable na yung decentralization niya kasi makikita po natin sa United States, 62% ay hawak na sa United States. So most probably, highly possible na yung nagko-control ng 62% of this are the team behind or yung mga nasa United States. So hindi po siya decentralized, no? Hindi questionable po. Yung 51% attack ay pwede na mangyari sa Polygon. So yun po, yung unaware tayo doon, no? Yung karamihan. Si Saseul has 24,000. Ito, last month. So tingnan po natin to ngayon, yung actual, makikita natin sa explorer.saseul, yung reachable nodes niya, no? So, ayan, yung recent nodes, makikita po natin. Pag matagal, baka mababa, pwedeng madami, no? Or ayaw niya mag-load. Recent nodes, load ulit natin. Okay, mabagal ata internet ko. Ayun, makikita nyo po, 29,983. Yan po yung reachable now. Pero minsan po, umaabot po yan ng 33,000 nodes. Kung atin naman titingnan ang distribution, kung nasaan yung mga miners, makikita po natin dyan sa home ng explorer.saseul sa heatmap kung nasaan, right? Makikita nyo, ang project is originated from South Korea, pero mas ang daming miners sa bansang Austria, Ireland, sa Europe, and even Germany. So, may mga miners sa iba't ibang, even Finland, at itong mga bansang hindi nakilala. And so, there must be something na unique or potential na nakikita itong mga miners, kaya dumarami ang nagmamine ng Saseul. And so, ayan po, no? Nakita po natin, we are more decentralized. Pag dami ng nodes, mas nagiging decentralized at mas nagiging distributed ang isang blockchain. So, question of, hindi na po natin dapat questionin yan, no? So, si Saseul po, pag nagmamarket tayo, minsan ay i-compare with token project, with NFT, with play to earn, yung mga DEX and DApps project. Hindi po natin siyang pwede i-compare because these tokens, NFT, yung mga nabanggit, staking, mga DEX, Launchpad, are just smart contracts na resulta yan ng smart contract or programs na inilagay sa blockchain. Si Saseul is the third generation blockchain na kung saan pwede mag-deploy ng smart contract, ng tokens, ng NFT, ng play to earn, ng dApps. So, si Saseul is the core technology na maaaring gamitin ng mga developers and programmers na to build unlimited number of decentralized project. Siya po is the third generation. So pwede natin siyang i-compare with other blockchain. So anong babasihan natin pag compare with other blockchains? Of course, yung speed ng blockchain, yung decentralization, yung scalability, universal contract, and storage solution. So ito si Saseul, ang speed niya nakita nyo kanina, napakabilis compared with other blockchain. Yung decentralization naman niya, mas decentralized siya dahil mas marami na siyang node, nasa 33,000 nodes. Ito naman yung mga Hyperledger, Ethereum, Bitcoin, EOS. So makikita nyo yung mga shades compared with Saseul, napakalayo. So yan po si Saseul, overwhelming performance, overwhelming advancement sa existing blockchain. So si Saseul, opens up the golden age of blockchains. Ano ba pag tinabing golden age? Diba nandito na po yung full blast explosion, yung full potential ni blockchain. Siya ang the most advanced blockchain technology, the third generation, and with own proprietary engine technology. Ang kagandahan po niya, nag-walk away siya sa Ethereum technology monopoly, yung EVM, and ginawa pa niyang progressive technology. Ibig sabihin, pwede pa niyang i-enhance. So, yung fourth generation, maaaring si Saseul na din, enhancement na lang ang kailangan ni Saseul para siya maging fourth, fifth, and so on. Ano? Then, this is a future technology that has already been completed. So, operating stably for 1 and 9 months na. Dahil sa May, 2 years na siya. And Saseul, ang goal ng Artifriends is the company that developed Saseul, ay maging gamitin siya to build a hyper-connected society with blockchain technology, maging number one blockchain infrastructure provider, magkaroon ng 100,000 clients and 800,000 nodes. So dito po ako na-amaze, no? Ang goal nila 8,000 nodes, no? So napakaaga pa lang po pala natin, which is ngayon nasa 33 nodes, 1,000 nodes, no? Pero ang realistic goals nila is 800,000 nodes. So ano ba ang future ng blockchain? Sa right now, there are different technologies na dine-develop tulad ng BCI or the Brain-Computer Interface na currently under research by Meta or Facebook. This is the bridge between the virtual world and the real world. And the Baby X naman is under research by Human OS or Soul Machines. This technology that creates human or virtual world citizen. And of course, yung Unreal Engine or Unreal Graphic na ginagamit sa mga games, makikita nyo, parang realistic na yung virtual world background, no? So, if these technologies pinag-combine, ang labas po niyan is the virtual world or the metaverse. Ang metaverse po na naririnig natin is a virtual world where billions of people live, work, shop, learn, and interact with each other all from the comfort of their couches in the physical world. So if you would, kung natatandaan niyo po, yung Matrix na movie, wherein na yung mundo po pala na ginagalawan nila is just a virtual world dahil yung mga katawang lupa nila nandun sa isang cubicle na ginagamit, pinagmamine lang ng energy ng machines, no? That time. So, maaring hindi na pala sila in real world nabubuhay. So, doon po papunta ang metaverse. And the realization of metaverse is malapit na po because the current endeavors of constructing the virtual world is nahihinog na. Yun nga, nakikita natin yung mga technologies na yun. And the implementation ng virtual world kailangan po requires massive computer power to handle it simultaneously. Again, di ba ang vision or yung new value na ino-offer sa atin ni Saseul is universal computer. Connecting all computer resources to act as one computer. So yun po yung vision ni Saseul. And of course, lahat ng nangyayari sa virtual world dapat naka-record sa data tamper-proof technology. To oversee the time point is mandatory. And Saseul is the technology that can make metaverse into reality. Si Saseul po is the only solution that can make the metaverse a reality. Because all other blockchains, hindi niya po kayang gawin yung mga solution na kailangan para maging reality ang metaverse. Kaya po siya tinawag na hyper-connected database because it can connect all computer resources around the world, no? And it will act as one computer. Yan po si Saseul. In a nutshell, si Saseul is a technological superior blockchain compared with all existing blockchain. Napakababa ng transaction fees niya, 0.000, almost felt zero. And complete decentralization identifiers. And nakita po natin yung decentralization niya, mas decentralized tayo Compare all other, kahit kay Bitcoin, 17,000 lang si Bitcoin, kakalahati na. Dahil 33,000 na ang nodes ni Saseul. And original technology, break away from Ethereum, and hindi na kailangan ng bridge to transact with other blockchain. Universal computing, no? Ito yung interconnection of computer resources to act as one, and high speed, napakabilis, 1 to 6 seconds. And kanina sa AMA, under development na, ini-improve pa yung speed. Now, at 1 second, finality na yung real-time transactions. So, Saseul ecosystem development. So, tapos na po, nag-exist na ang ating blockchain. Ang ginagawa na lang is the use case and the ecosystem wherein nagsimula na nga bukas, yung first project sa Saseul blockchain is ilo-launch na. Ang nag-facilitate nito is si Saseul Labs. Saseul Labs po is the company partner with Artifriends with equity investment. Sila po yon, brother company. Si Saseul Lab po ang nag-i-innovate ng future of Saseul blockchain, bringing the Web3 service closer, the government and all other entities. Alright? So si Saseul Labs po ay sakop niya yung token projects tulad po ng Launchpad na ilo-launch bukas, mga wallet, DEX, stable coins, D-apps, yung mga play to earn, sakop din niya, consulting, ibig sabihin po yung mga gaming solution para sa Saseul blockchain, ma-deploy yung mga games sa Saseul blockchain is provide ni Saseul Labs. Sa mga government naman, services or policy projects ay nakikipag-cooperate ang Saseul Labs para sa mga CBDC or Central Bank Digital Currency, mga token securities, election system. So yan po ang pwedeng paggamitan ng Saseul blockchain, and Saseul Labs is one part of their business. Corporate solution, yung layer 2, no? Private chain. And ito na yung ilo-launch nila, yung Launchpad, yung swap or the DEX and DeFi and STO, yung wallet, coming soon, yung Zigap wallet, yung crypto gaming solution na mga solutions for the gaming company para i-launch yung kanilang game sa Saseul blockchain. And layer 2, pwedeng gamitin ng mga companies, private industries, or countries. And of course, nag-provide din sila ng X-Miner or cloud mining solution para ma-distribute organically yung SL coin, no? So, making mining possible without special skills. So, hindi natin kailangan ng special skill para makapag-mine. So, meron siyang ino-offer yung mining subscription. Dito tayo sa mining dahil ito ay yung SAS and BIS is mga for companies po yan, mga big solutions po yan. So, dito po tayo sa mining subscription na which i-discuss naman sa inyo ni partner Edwin, ano? So, ito mga token issuance, tech support, trainings, facilitating, no? So yan po yung mga din-develop ni Saseul Lab. And yung conference, nagsisimula na yung development ng kanilang community. This year magkakaroon ng hackathon, and yung community and forum, nangyayari na yan. Meron na silang Telegram at Discord, nandiyan na yung Twitter, no? So ang target nila ay magkaroon ng 500 plus projects this 2024. Kaya magkakaroon sila ng hiring ng mga developer, magkakaroon ng job fair to provide networking and employment opportunities. Last week lang, nag-onboard sila ng more than 20 employees ang Saseul Labs. Alright, so ito yung timeline niya. Makikita po natin noong 2023, mga August, nag-start yung business planning, and yung MOU signing with Artifriends noong last year lang, mga September lang ito. And yung ating minamarket na mining subscription product is noong mga September lang to, October, nagsimula. And ito na, yung Launchpad, which is bukas, ilo-launch yung phase 1. Makikita niyo po natin dito, phase 1 is ng Launchpad is sell only SL coins. So bukas na mangyayari yan. So nakikita niyo po yung timeline, talagang ginagawa nila. So, phase 3, nandun na po yung open tokens sale, no? And yung DEX natin or yung SIGAP, ilo-launch na din yan this coming first quarter. and yung DEX commercial launch or the decentralized exchange within the second quarter of 2024. Mangyaring mapaaga or the second quarter, no? Yan yung target. And of course, yung other solution like crypto gaming solutions is second quarter, first of second this year. And what hackathon nila, nakaschedule na din this coming months, first quarter and second quarter of 2024 yung hackathon. And of course, yung development and recruitment ng mga developers para sa mga i-launch na projects. So makikita nyo po, palaki ng palaki ang Saseul ecosystem. Now, paano po tayo mag-take advantage with Saseul? Pareho din yan kung paano tayo dapat nag-take advantage kay Bitcoin. So, nakapag-take advantage tayo kay Bitcoin if you were able to invest na $100 noong 2010. Ganun lang po tayo mag-take advantage. Bibili tayo at early stage. Like 2010, napaka-early niyan, wala pang, yan yung panahon nagka-value si Bitcoin. So kung hinold nyo ang $100 in Bitcoin, yan ay aabot sa 7 billion. That's 8 billion percent ang itinaas for 11 years. So the same way, taking advantage of Saseul is to accumulate as many SL coin as soon as possible. SL coin po, siya yung namamine, siya yung native coin on Saseul blockchain network through mining, which is ngayon, bukas, pwede na makabili, limited lang yan, doon sa launchpad, no? But the best thing na mas magandang gawin is to activate your cloud mining dahil 18 months tayong tatanggap daily ng SL coin. So, ano ba ang SL coin? Ilan ba ang total number of supply niyan? It's 5.5 billion over period 100 years bago siya mamine. Para siyang si Bitcoin na minamine, 21 million at makukompleto yung 21 million Bitcoin sa 2140 pa. So ito si Saseul makukompleto after 100 years. Ang na-mine now as of July 2023 ay nasa 1.5. So right now, maaaring sabihin na natin 2 billion dahil nagsimula ang mining noong May 17, 2022. So about 500 lang ang miners nung hindi pa minamarket, pero ngayon, after July, September, up to right now, nasa 33,000 na ang nodes miners. Kaya pakunti na yung namamine bawat cloud mining. So every 4 years, may cycle halving din. So para siyang si Bitcoin, similar to Bitcoin, kaya lang with 16% yearly decrease pa siya. And after 2023, so ngayon na, 2024, dahil sa rapid increase of the number of nodes, sa pagdami ng nodes, ang bilis dumami, it is expected the cost of mining or coin price will also rise rapidly. May kausap po akong, hindi ko alam, taga-ibang bansa, yung taga-Telegram na nagmamine siya, sabi niya, napakahirap na nga mag-mine ngayon. No? So sa 10 computer niya, at grabe yung specs, ang last ng specs, 4 days na daw, wala pa siyang namamine. So buti pa, sabi ko, mag-activate ka na lang ng mining packages. So yan po ang ating Saseul, and I will turn over this presentation to Partner Edwin para pag-usapan naman po yung opportunity ng Saseul, how you can earn unlimited USDT habang nag-iipon ng Saseul coin. Alright, so Partner Edwin.
Ayan, partner, i-co-host mo lang ako offline para makapag-share ako ng aking screen. So yun, nakita niyo po yung ganda ng technology ni Saseul Blockchain. At pagpasok po ng January 2024 ay nagsimula na po sila ng promotion sa mga malalaking media outlet. Yan, na may kinalaman sa cryptocurrency. At katapos nga lang po kanina nung press release nila sa Coinbase, sa Binance, yung sa Binance Live. Okay, so paano tayo magpa-participate? Since nagiging popular na po internationally ang Saseul blockchain at yung kanyang native coin na SL coin, na tomorrow po ay yung first ever launchpad na mayroon lang na limited coin na i-sell, which is 1 million SL coin lang. Okay, about ang price po niyan ay $0.1. Okay? Sabi nga ni Upline yun, baka 2 tao lang yung bumili nun. 'Di ba? So, kung hindi tayo makapag-participate, sa ganoon ay pwede po tayo mag-participate doon sa cloud mining solution na kinrate din po ng Solab para naman mag-benefits po ang marami na mayroon lang minimal na amount. Okay? So, ang Saseul po ay nag-offer ng opportunity to buy and share Saseul Mania Cloud Mining Solution Package. Pwede po tayong kumita dito ng unlimited USDT while cloud mining Saseul coin. Habang nagmimina tayo ng Saseul coin, pwede naman tayong kumita ng USDT. So, paano mangyayari yon? So, ang Saseul Cloud Mining Solution po ay magpo-provide ng 1.5 year. Okay, 1.5 year subscription of SL Coin Cloud Mining Solution. It is enable the general public to enter in the mining market that is technically difficult to access. So tanda natin guys, ang product po ni Saseul o yung binabayaran po natin dito is cloud mining solution. Hindi po security na magpo-provide sa atin ng guaranteed return of investment. Okay, so hindi po, no? So kaya lang, mas maganda pa rin po itong si Saseul kesa dun sa ino-offer ng mga ilang cryptocurrency na nasa atin sa Pilipinas na may percentage daily kasi mas more than that pa yung po pwede mong kitain dahil unexpected po yung growth rate ng value ni Saseul once na simulan na yung DEX. Okay, so meron tayong 4 na package. Ang number 1 package natin is yung $100 cloud mining subscription. Meron tayong $500 subscription, $1,000 subscription at $3,000 subscription. So mamimili lang po kayo dyan. So ang maganda naman, unlimited purchase quantity of solution package. Diba? Marami po kayong pera. Pwede kayong bumili ng more than $3,000 or more than one cloud mining package. Kung meron kang $9,000, pwede kang bumili ng tatlong 3,000 cloud mining package. Okay? So, ang SL Coin allocation po, mining proceed from the next day after purchasing the subscription of cloud mining solution package. It calculated daily and reflected in the computer at the same day. Kapag kayo po ay magre-request ng withdrawal from the computer, okay, ito po ay isi-send na doon sa ating actual wallet. Ano yung actual wallet natin? Yun po yung Guardi wallet. Ang withdrawal po ay pwedeng gawin within 24 hours on a business day. So kung nag-withdraw po kayo ng Friday, Monday na po yun magre-reflect doon sa wallet po ninyo. So after deducting the amount of fee from the daily total mining amount, yung allocation amount is calculated based on the percentage of purchase at that amount of its customer. Then meron din tayong mga sales reward program. Okay, pwede po kayong kumita ng 300% of mining amount from recommendation reward program. Pag kayo ay nag-share na, pwede po kayong kumita. Then added benefits po doon sa mga various promotional event and airdrops ng mga token na ila-launch doon sa ating launchpad at saka gagamit ng Saseul blockchain engine. Okay? So, paano tayo kikita? Meron tayong 4 na ways kung paano kikita dito sa recommendation reward program ni Saseul Mania. Number 1 is yung referral bonus. Sa referral bonus, pwede po kayong kumita ng 10% commission every cloud mining package na mabibenta nyo. Ibig sabihin, yung in-invite nyo, nag-subscribe din sila dahil hindi sila makapag-participate sa ICO dahil marami po ang naka-ready at limited lang po yung binebenta doon kaya guaranteed yung pagtaas ng price. So dito, every time naman nakakapag-refer ka doon sa cloud mining solution, may 10% ka. Kung ang subscription niya ay $100, meron kang $10 referral bonus. Kung 500, meron kang $50. Kung 1,000 ang subscription ng iyong in-invite, meron kang $100. At kung $3,000 naman, meron kang $300 subscription. Kahit na $100 lang ang subscription mo, pag naka-invite ka ng 3,000, meron ka pa rin 10%. Okay? Pangalawang kitaan dito is yung sponsorship bonus o yung pairing, binary. So, pwede kang kumita ng 5% dun sa actual amount. 7%, 8%, 10%, o on the binary pairing bonus depend on subscription package. So, kung $100 ang subscription mo, 5% po ang pairing bonus. Kaya kung may 100 nag-subscribe sa LEP mo, sa Team A mo, at sa Team B ay meron ding 100, so meron kang 5%. Kung $500 naman, meron kang 7% na pairing bonus. Sa 1,000 ay 8%, sa 3,000 ay 10%. Doon sa actual amount ng subscription, yan po ang kinikita natin. Sa iba kasi na kumpanya, yan po ay mayroong point system or may PB at doon ka sa PB, pinaliit pa yung amount ng PB doon sa actual price. So sa atin po, actual amount ang pinagbabasehan ng computation ng ating income doon sa binary bonus. Okay? Then yung pangatlong kitaan is yung sponsorship match bonus. Pwede kayong kumita doon sa matching bonus ng binary income ng referral mo up to 5th generation or up to 5th level. Sa first level, kung magkano ang kinikita ng downlines mo na direct sponsor sa binary, mayroon kang 30% doon sa kinita niya. Kung ikaw ay mayroong 5 direct at sila ay kumikita ng $1,000, mayroon kang 30% each, $1,000 times 5, so mayroon kang 1,500. So sa second level naman, sa income ng direct mo, meron kang 20%. Okay? So sa third level ay 10%, sa fourth level 5%, at sa fifth level ay 3%. So ibig sabihin guys, kahit na one leg lang ang tumakbo, one leg lang ang nag-workout, ang direct sponsor mo sa kaliwa ay nagbabinary, mayroon ka pa rin kikitain hanggang fifth level kahit wala ka pang pambangga or wala ka pang B-side. Take note lang guys, once yung earnings mo from referral bonus, sponsorship o yung binary sponsorship match bonus o yung leadership bonus natin, pag na-reach niya po yung 300% of your subscription package, you need to resubscribe again to continue earnings from the reward program. So kung $100 yung subscription mo, umabot ka na ng $300, okay? Mag-i-stop yung earnings mo, continuous po yung mining mo, and kailangan mong mag-resubscribe, madadagdagan yung mining package mo, madadagdagan yung SL coin mo, and magkukontinue naman yung earnings mo dun sa recommendation reward program. Okay, so maliwanag po ba tayo doon? Kung may clarification po, message nyo lang dun sa group chat. At mamaya pagkatapos natin, sasagutin po namin ang inyong clarification. Okay? So, pang-apat na kitaan dito is yung ranking bonus. So, bibilangin po yung total accumulation sales transaction, Group A and Group B, accumulation yan, kasama yung spillover, and then 5% po ng total sales ng company was distributed to those who qualified. So, for you to qualify, you must have sponsorship bonus 100,000 para makasama ka dun sa 1-star rank. 40% ng 5%, yun po ang paghahati-hatian nyo. So para ma-qualified ka sa 2-star rank, dapat meron kang 300,000 group sales accumulation left and right. So 25% naman ang shares nyo. 3-star rank, dapat po may 1 million kang accumulation sales left and right. 20% ang sharing. 4-star rank, 3 million sales accumulation sa left, 3 million sales accumulation sa right, 10% ang sharings nyo, yun ang paghahatian. 5-star is $5 million sales left and right, $5 million. So 5% naman ang allotted sa inyo. Okay, so recap lang natin. Ang ating package subscription, may $100, $500, $1,000 at $3,000. So ang referral bonus natin ay 10%. Ang sponsorship bonus natin ay 5%, 7%, 8%, and 10%. Depende po dun sa payment package position natin. Then, yung referral sponsorship match bonus natin, first level ay 30%, second level 20%, third level 10%, fourth level 5%, and fifth level is 3%. So, through that program, yung referral sponsorship and referral sponsorship match bonus, maximum is 300% circulation. Then, meron tayong sponsorship bonus up to 5-star na 5% ng total sales ng company ang paghahati-hatian, distributed 100%. 40% sa 1-star, 25% sa 2-star, 20% sa 3-star, 10% sa 4-star, at 5% sa 5-star. So, ganun lang po kasimple yung marketing plan, and yet so powerful, you will able to earn up to $100,000 in a day as long as productive at continuous na nag-grow yung inyong organization. Okay? So, guys, bakit kailangan natin mag-invest sa SL Coin now? Nakikita na po natin, ano? You should never miss the na-miss na natin yung early investment kay Bitcoin at kay Ethereum. So, invest in the growth capital potential of SL Coin. Invest in the next generation technology that will lead to the blockchain market. Opportunity to realize the greater value ahead of full-scale distribution. Kapag yan po ay well implemented na, no? Na-distribute na po at ginagamit na talaga si Saseul blockchain, pataas po yung presyo niyan. Prepare for blockchain liquidity increase and investment activation. So magsisimula na po yan tomorrow. Okay? And then, any plan to list SL Coin? Ang company mismo, so yan po self-listed ang mangyayari po sa DEX. Okay? At ang price forecast po ng SL Coin, similar to initial price pattern po ni Ethereum, umabot po yun ng $6,000 in a matter of 4 years. So kaya konting panahon na lang, sabi ko nga, kahit $2,000 na lang, okay, yung 4,000 SL Coin na hawak ko as of the moment, di ba? Mag $2,000 na lang po ang presyo ng isa niyan after 4 years. Hindi naman natin magagalaw yung SL Coin kasi kumikita tayo ng USDT every time na nag-re-refer. So para hindi natin magalaw yun. And syempre, mas mag-iipon pa tayo. Kung may pagkakataon tayo na makabili pa ng SL Coin, eh mag-iipon talaga tayo. And then pagdating naman sa technical verification, implementation of technology verification through demonstrations, the proved excellent technology of Saseul mainnet. Saseul Foundation held information demonstration last June in inviting a limited number of blockchain experts. It was an opportunity to check the representative technology of the Saseul mainnet, such as confirming that the transaction was complete despite the PC power being cut off in the middle of blockchain generation process. Kahit na po walang internet, pinapakita po doon yung may mga demonstration video na nakakapag-proceed pa rin po sila. About naman doon sa Saseul developer, si Lee Jung-woo, which is the CEO of Artifriends, siya yung main guy. Okay? Saseul is the masterpiece created by a genius developer, okay, from Korea. At once na na-develop na po yan, ay 100 years po yung mining ng SL Coin, continuous po yung implementation at development pa. Mas gusto pa nila na real time yung transaction. Kaya ang Saseul po ay po pwedeng magamit kasi majority po ng mga cryptocurrency right now ay hindi magamit sa small scale payment. Dahil doon sa time transaction bago malaman yung confirmation. So, ang gusto po ni Lee Jung-woo, ang transaction ay abutin na lang ng 1 second. So, almost real time pag nag-transact ka o nag-transfer. Tapos, napaka-minimal pa ng transaction fee. So, talaga pong napakaganda ng opportunity ni Saseul Blockchain. Okay? So, ito po yung Guardi Wallet na ating ida-download at dito po natin i-store o itatabi yung ating mga Saseul SL Coin. So, tandaan natin guys disclaimer lang. Okay? Yung aming pinipresent po ay for reference only. Okay? Always do your own research and this is not a financial advice. So, welcome po to Saseul Blockchain, the most advanced third generation blockchain in the world. Yan. Kung may question, clarification, you can unmute your microphone, you can ask a question, and we will answer on that. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Aplin Edwin, back to you.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo partner, no? Sa business plan presentation. So yung may mga katanungan po, pwede kayong mag-unmute or type nyo po yung questions or maybe meron po gusto mag-share dito some insights dun sa nangyayari, mga leaders po natin, mga upline. Any question, guys? So, Carnel, meron kang gustong i-share as newbie? Anyone?
Wala, natulog. Natulog na yata.
Alright. I'll just tapusin ko na yung live natin. Alright?